coordination, tensions chaining out in proximity to a critical breaking point. Tough silent compartments remain sealed beneath growing pain. Vibration moves through reinforced walls. Uncertainty without release. Tension and doubt release. Enclosed space. Processor banks pause behind reinforced equipment cages while cooling turbines struggle against relentless warning panels flood. Maintenance stations will flash an alert. Storage arrays choke on continuous. The merely clusters vibrate beneath excessive workload. Cable trenches radiate trapped heat through service corridors. Backup units engage without relief and active assembly absorbs burden far beyond simple operating limits and endurance thresholds. Remaining capacity shrinks beneath constant demand as response delays. Infrastructure protected routine activate without restraint balance. Workload accumulates faster than recovery. Temperatures continue climbing and operational strain deepens through every occupied processing sector. District control, saturated machinery strains, beneath constant demand. Every task gets fresh burden in every request, stretching through overloaded pathways. Warning level surge, the threat shows degradation. Overload, encryption, mechanical collapse. Thresholds overload, I'm an overload. Pathways, dense equipment halls resonate when escalating intensive or routing models redirect excessive traffic through constrained channels. Sealed enclosures, traffic spanning heat around critical hardware. Switching arrays, hesitate under continuous burden. Running displays filled with cascading falls. Emergency bypasses, transfer strain into weakened components and entire operational zones descending to fatigue as accumulated workload overwhelms remaining reserves and tolerance margins. Unused resource remains available as growing demand consumes every reserve. Overloaded components spread stability through neighboring equipment. Mitigation efforts lose effectiveness. Thermal pressure intensifies behind sealed panels in each additional process. Drive infrastructure closer to irreversible breakdown and failure. Burning assemblies continue beneath the demand in the end and persistent congestion. Stress hardware struggles through expanding queues while temperatures rise beyond safe parameters. Efficiency declines, degradation spreads, stability weakens and the environment advances to overload, exhaustion, mechanical fatigue, and uncontrollable operational pressure towards collapse. Cooling systems battle relentless heat. Warning indicators remain saturated with alerts. Stressed equipment trembles behind sealed housings and remaining reserves vanish beneath continuous overload. Precisely timed assemblies operate beneath cold industrial lighting while synchronized carriers glide through designated corridors and measured intervals. Articulated mechanisms return identical positions. Calibration markers align with aviation. Inspection units verify placement with mechanical consistency. Transport models maintain exact space and timing indicators pulse through fixed signatures. And every surrounding element stable from repetition. Regulation and unread residual accuracy from beginning to end.
Order pass route, structured emulation denies the perfect coordination. Calculate exact words out, get the mansion from the second system. There's another press the
Underpass, underpass. Endless processing corridors stretch beneath controlled illumination while automated equipment preserves exact intervals between operations. Monitoring stations confirm stable performance. Articulated components repeat identical trajectories. Transport systems units sustain measured timing. Verification devices confirm flawless execution and entire sectors remain bound to carefully maintained order. Data waiting for what's distant the origination. It's baby done calculate and time recover payback.
no irregular influence disturbs the original position. Structured operation defense, the perfect coordination. Calculated, time, calculation.
organized machinery, synchronized assemblies. Underpass routes. Jagged blue discharge lashes through underground utility corridors while exposed. Conductors spit bright sparks into narrow service passages. Transformer housings rattle beneath unstable voltage. Really cabinets shattered through conflicting impulses. Insulation splits from overheated wiring. Breaker racks wicker beneath erratic load. Metallic surfaces flash with sudden arcs. In every energized exhaust, violent interference spreading through tangled electrical infrastructure and active transmission routes. Fluctuating current disrupts unstable charge. Invades crowded conduct. Protective devices react without rest. Voltage swing strike. Vulnerable hardware. Electrical turbulence. Instant as fights through every active section of the network. Alleyway vision. Violent interference. Tears through energized circuitry. Every surge distorts operation. Every ration. There's a purchase alteration. Never nature. Quenches underweighted. Never nature. Transactilated tapes. Unadjaded and a register with deep. Heated switchgear vibrates behind reinforced panels while a regular current races through branching cable systems. Damaged insulation releases bursts of light into confined maintenance zones. Terminal assembly spark beneath excessive strain. Monitoring instruments struggle to follow shifting values. Emergence should disconnect. Trigger unexpectedly overloaded transformers emit harsh vibration and entire sectors operate beneath constant threat from uncontrolled electrical